everyone, this is Marge Baula from Events Republic and we're here at the heart of Marikina, specifically the iconic Renaissance Convention Center. Alam niyo ba na this is the only hotel in Marikina that can accommodate 3,000? Yes, hindi 2,000, hindi 1,000, 3,000 ang kayang-kaya na i-accommodate. Okay? So, wanna know why? Gusto niyo bang malaman? Come on, let's check it out. Good morning, Kuya.
Hi,
Hello, good morning.
Marge.
Good morning, Ma'am Ellen.
Nice to see you. Yeah.
So at this point, I will be formally introducing the managers and officers of Renaissance Convention Center. First of which is Miss Leila Laudentia. She is the sales officer ng Renaissance Convention Center, meaning siya ang in charge sa pagbubook ng corporate sales, socials ng function rooms. Nice to meet you, ma'am. And next to her naman, one of the beautiful sales officer or sales assistant, si Miss Mary Ann Salazar. She's in charge for the social media and page na nagme-maintain or nagme-manage ng social media management. And part of that, clerical at saka administrative din ang kanyang major task. Nice to meet you, Miss Mary Ann. Thank you po. And finally, the last but not the least, Miss Eleanor de la Paz. She's the RCC Unit Head / Consultant. She's the overall in charge of the operations of the Renaissance Convention Center and all the venues.
Okay. Hi, Marge. Okay, please sit down. Sorry nagpalit lang ako kasi malamig. Nag-blazer ako.
Yes, ako nga po naka-sleeveless pa. Ayan. Hello, good morning, Ma'am Ellen.
Good morning, Miss Marge.
Yes, good morning. So we're here po, nag-visit po kami dito sa inyo pong hotel, which is Renaissance Convention Center.
Yes.
So would you like to share to us what are the best or yung most recommended venues na pwede nating ma-recommend, particularly on socials, corporate events, and even kiddie parties?
Okay, actually we have 8 venues here at Renaissance Convention Center. All of them, pwede ko naman siya i-recommend. Depende sa number of packs. Doon kasi kami nagkakatalo. We have the ballroom, the convention hall. We have the basketball court na ginagamit din siya as venue, the garden, the Renaissance Hall, and the big conference. And we have the boiler, which is gustong-gusto ng mga millennials yan at mga nagpapakasal. And then we have the studio na madalas dyan ay warehouse sale and shootings. We also, meron din nag-shooting dito ng mga commercial shoots. Kahit saan dito. And then we have 2 dormtels which pwedeng gamitin ng mga nag-i-events.
Ayan, so super dami po pala ng mga venues
Yes.
na ma-offer ng Renaissance Convention Center.
Yes, of course.
And I also believe that this is one of the iconic hotels here in Marikina.
Yes. And then, kung mapapansin mo, ang location namin is nasa center. Nasa center kami, which kahit wala kang sasakyan, pwedeng puntahan, pwedeng attenan any events. Kasi 24 hours ang biyahe. And then, ang aming parking, kahit mga 200 cars.
200
Oo,
cars.
kaya yan, including the streets. And then, gusto kami ng kliyente because malapit kami, hindi yung papasok ka pa kung saan, madaling makita. Kami from Quezon City, from Pasig, and from Marikina.
And if ever po the client is planning to book on social events,
Yes.
ano po ba ang best recommended out of that 8 venues na pwede niyo pong talagang marirekomenda pagdating po sa socials or sa
Sa
events?
socials, actually, it depends upon the number of packs. We have kasi the Renaissance Hall namin is good for 30 to 4 to up to 40
Up to 40.
packs. And then the big conference namin is good up to 80. The big conference and the Renaissance ballroom namin is good up to 250 and the convention hall is good up to 150. Depending upon the event. Pwede pa yun ma-stretch. And then we have the studio na doon up to 800. And then the boilers is up to at least, pwede up to 300.
Okay. So, if ever po I'm the wedding planner po kasi 'di ba, I would really suggest po na mag-book po dito sa Renaissance Convention Center. Why?
Yes.
Kasi you have all the complete amenities na po. You have the preparation venue which is
Yes,
the
dorm.
what do you call that? The dorm
The dorm tel.
And kung dito ikakasal po ang non-Catholic weddings like the Christian or
Yes.
mga non-sectarian,
Yes.
you have your garden wedding, and then if ever then po na they would require for yung pong yung may mga clients po kasi na they wanted to convert a typical basketball court and make it like a whimsical or enchanted
Yes,
whatsoever.
yes.
Madali rin pong style
Yes.
ang Marikina, ang convention center because malaki nga po yung pwedeng paglaruan ng ating mga stylists.
Yes, yes.
And at the same time, reception venue na siya.
Yes.
Diba? So, preparation venue, you have your dormtel, you have your ceremony venue, either the
garden
the
or
garden.
any events place.
Yes, and then yung talaga pong actual for reception venue.
Yes,
And
okay.
on top of that, tama rin po ba ako na pagdating po sa mga debut, debut or debut, pwede rin po nating ma-offer ang ating other venues
Oh.
like the boiler, like the studio. Yan,
Depending upon the team. Kasi
depends on
yung
upon
mga
the team.
clients kasi may mga team yan. Kaya, sa totoo lang, yung boilers gusto-gusto yan ng millennials sa mga debus nila. And then, minsan may nagwe-wedding din doon. Kasi depende talaga sa team.
Okay po. And then, with regards to, syempre po, ang target po natin, because kami po yung mga event planners, kumbaga end-to-end na talaga.
End-to-end.
If ever the client would require for a pre-nop shot or pre-debut shoot,
Once na dito nila gagawin ang kanilang, ito yung choice of venue nila, it's for free.
that's for free.
It's for free.
At ang ibig sabihin yan, yung reach po niyan, hanggang saan po dito po sa Renaissance? Papunta po yan sa boiler po or limited lang po? Paano po ba yung
No,
arrangement
at
po yan?
any venues. Basta dito ang event kahit saan siya.
Ayun. So, di ba, kung may theme po ang inyong debut or ang inyong
Yes.
wedding, or they wanted to be very creative, mag-costume po sila ng mga
Yes.
anime or mga Korean, something to that effect. Dito may mga autumn style, mga naglalalagang flower, naglalalagang leaves. So,
Yes.
ang ganda po niyan. Yung last time po na I saw, a prenup shoot po, na-achieve po nila yung kanila pong storyboard.
That's
So,
true.
maganda, madaming magagawa po dito sa
Marami
venue na ito.
talaga, yes. Kaya actually talaga best choice kami. And we're one of the best venue
Yes.
to choose from.
Yes. Pagdating din po sa parking, napakalawak po ng ating parking and very, pinnable. Pagdating
Yes,
po sa, saan ba ang hotel na yan? Madali po siyang mahanap dahil we're at the heart of Marikina.
Heart of
Nasa
Marikina.
gitnang-gitna
Near
po.
Quezon City, Pasig, Antipolo. And
Yes.
Marikina.
And this hotel is also
This
part of the...
venue, yes.
This hotel, this venue is also part of the so-called mga Rizal destination
Yes,
weddings.
oo.
So if they prefer yun nga po, wherever simbahan in Antipolo and they na-in-love po sila to avail of your packages,
Yes.
specifically the venue itself. Ayan po. They could avail of the Rizal destinations
Yes,
venues.
At ang kagandahan pa sa amin, Marge, kasi we can always, for example, may concern sila, open kami for discussion.
Yes.
Hindi siya parang laging nakakahon. We're always open
Customizable?
for discussion. Yes.
Yes. So, ganyan po ka-warm and very, accommodating
Yes.
ang ating mga staff and managers here at the Renaissance Convention Center.
And we will make it a point na talaga masasatisfied sila.
Yes po. Now, with regards to, corporate, what type of corporate events po naman ang na-hold na po dito? Yun po kasi ang maraming naghahanap po dito.
Actually, meron kaming conventions, seminars, weddings, birthdays, all kinds talaga. All kinds kasi dahil nakikita naman, nag-o-ocular naman kasi sila at nakikita na fitted talaga yung aming venue. Kaya all kinds of events, all kinds of ano talaga. And even warehouse, shooting, a car display.
Car clinic.
Oo, car clinic,
Yan.
meron din kami.
And then,
And then we have the basketball court.
Yes.
We have the
May pa-Zumba. Ayan
Oo,
po.
and then pwede rin gamitin yung ano namin, like for example, meron silang, yung sa company ba?
Company,
Company-
team building.
Team building.
Yes. Opo. So, ayun nga po, napaka-huge po ng opportunities na mga naghahanap na mga sa corporate events. Halimbawa po sa company outing. So, during summer, pwedeng nyo pong mabook ang ating venue. Pagdating naman po sa launch, meron po tayong, ano po yung pinakamalaking venue natin? Like the studio.
The studio.
Ayan.
Yes.
Ayan po. And then, pagka Christmas naman po or year-end event, year-end party,
Yes.
pwede rin po. Again,
Yes.
depende po sa
Number,
number of
oo.
ano. And kung may theme sila, indoor, outdoor, name it, you have it all.
Even yung mga school events.
Yes.
Kasi yung mga parents, hindi sila matatakot na baka mamaya malayo pa yung lalakaran kung wala silang sasakyan.
Yes.
Here, paglabas nila ng compound na may mga guards, automatic kasi this is Riverbanks Mall.
Yes, with regards to security as well, may guard po
Oo.
ang venue.
Yes.
Tapos yung guard din po ng Riverbank Center. So very
Meron.
secured po
Very
na at
secured.
nasa gitna po siya.
At
Again.
yung ano doon, yung mga transport are 24.
Yes, yes. With regards to ano naman ma'am, mga intimate events
Okay.
like 100 and below or mga civil, ano naman po yung civil events, mga ganyan, or kiddie party or baptismal or nauuso na ngayon ng mga gender reveal,
Yes.
diba? So pwede rin po yan.
Pwede.
So huge number of packs or number
Yes.
of guests up to 3,000 nga po, diba?
Ang total namin sa lahat ng venues namin, pag tinotal mo siya is 3,000 pounds.
Yes. So, kung ikaw ay may kumpanya, gusto mo magpa-Christmas party, tapos gusto mo may kakasal ka
Yes.
na anak, pag sabay-sabay
Sabay mo na.
yan.
Actually, may mga clients kami na talagang kinukuha nila minsan dalawang venues
Venue.
or tatlo,
Dahil-
not the same day.
Dahil nga po ay customizable, negotiable, at ano po, makaka-discount po.
Friendly kami.
Yeah,
O, diba?
Speaking of friendly, ma'am, pet friendly po ba? Like mga dogs, cats, somehow,
Yes.
depende po. Yes.
We will allow.
Yes po.
We
Ayan.
will allow.
Yes, so that's good dahil marami pong mga sabihin nating mga ikakasal po na may mga
Totoo.
babies, mga fur babies po
Fur
that they
babies
really
sila.
love those animals or they consider them those puppies na anak po talaga
Yes,
nila.
yes,
So kung
yes.
kayo po ay ganon, ay nako, talaga po marami pong mga debutante rin, mga ikakasal na naghahanap ng saan ba dito Marge ang venue na pet friendly.
Kami yun.
Ayan. Pet friendly, human friendly.
Yes. All kinds.
Entertainment po.
O, diba?
Ayan po. So, paano po kaya yan kapag talagang okay na po ang everything, the venue, number of packs, the packages. Venue package po, di ba? Meron din po ba? Venue package.
Coming up na kami this July
Ayan.
sa aming venue packages.
So you have a stand-alone, meaning ibubuk lang po ang venue only. And then if the client prefers to
The package?
book with a venue package with
Pwede rin.
partner, caterer, other suppliers, meron din po ba
Meron
naman?
din.
Meron po tayo. So wala na pong
Wala na hahanapin pa
Wala
eh.
na hanapin, kumpletong-kumpleto na
Yes.
po talaga dito.
Yes.
At napakalapit po, pwede po ninyo itong mapuntahan anytime. So paano po ang problema po natin kung gustong-gusto na pong mag-book ng client? How do they reach you? Sa social media?
Okay.
How do they book
Yes,
you po, ma'am?
social media, Viber, Facebook, and then they can call us or pwede na silang pumunta dito. Kasi nangyayari, March, minsan tatawag. And then ito na. And then bayad na kami.
Ayun.
O,
Kasi
diba?
napakabilis kausap ng mga staff and crew
Yes.
ng ano po. And how much naman po ang ating mga packages? Venue package or standalone rates? How much
Actually,
po ba
very
yan?
affordable kami.
Very
We
affordable.
are very affordable depending upon the venue.
Ayun po talagang base po talaga.
Yeah.
Nag-fit po talaga sa venue po yan.
Ah.
And with regards to reservation, very affordable din po.
As low as 10,000 reservation.
They
And
can-
then once okay na sa kanila, 50% down payment. And then another 50,000 down full payment 2 weeks before the event.
Ayan, so napakasimple lang po ng mechanics po ng ating pagbubuk po with Renaissance Convention Center. Grabe, excited na akong umikot, mag-ocular, and i-check kung talaga bang totoo na kayang-kayang mag-accommodate ng 3,000, hindi 2,000, hindi 1,000, 3,000
3,000.
na number of guests.
Yes.
So, isa-isahin po natin yan at tayo po ay mag-e-enjoy po. Okay? So, let's go habang maganda pang araw.
Yes.
Let's go, ma'am.
Thank you.
So there. There you have it. So it's already in the afternoon. And
Yes.
the venue, the ambiance, it's so good. So napakaganda po for Christian wedding. So thank you so much po for allowing us to have this video and to conduct ocular. Sinabayan tayo ng magandang panahon, ma'am.
Of course.
Yes.
So, di ba,
Maganda.
kitang-kita nyo kung
Maaliwalas.
gaano kaganda kaaliwalas dito sa amin.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? Now, we will show you kung saan madalas ginagawa ang wedding, birthdays, and other events pa, except the warehouse and the shooting. Although, there are times na nagkakaroon din kami ng commercial shooting dito. Let me show you the garden first. Okay? And then, ito yung aming parking, napakalaki, di ba?
Napakalaki po ng
Yes.
ating parking. Actually, Ma'am Leila, di ba,
Yeah.
pwede rin po siyang gawing venue for, ano ba, magpapapitch ng tent. yung
Yes.
ibang mga-
Oo.
Pwede po.
We allow.
One
Pwede
time, inano din siya, ginamit din siya as ng Grab as parking purposes lang. Kasi medyo napuno yung parking nila doon sa isang venue nila. So, nirent nila ito.
Okay, so that,
That is case-to-case basis.
Yes.
Hindi naman namin lahat inaalaw. Depende kasi syempre we have to consider din yung risk.
yes. So that only goes to show na hindi lang po venue ang ino-offer po ng Renaissance.
Yes, the whole
Yes.
area can be used.
Ano po ba yung mga examples po ng mga kumbaga, not only weddings, halimbawa po, mga car clinic. Can you
Yes.
may kwento about the car clinic events and other stops po?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
Yes. One time, meron nagpa-reserve sa amin and nagpa-book on the basketball court. So, ginawa namin siyang parang motor show, yeah.
Oo.
Nag-display sila doon and then I think that is also their anniversary that time. So, pinromote nila yung mga new products
Yes.
nila.
Siguro let's proceed here muna dito sa garden
Yan, sa
para
garden.
makita nyo kung gaano kaganda itong lugar na to. Kasi in-improve talaga namin to.
So ito po yung garden. So,
Oo.
usually po dito,
Now we will start at the lobby.
dito lang po.
This is
Okay.
the lobby. Dito kasi dito nakahilera yung mga abay, mga ninang, papasok going there, o, diba?
Usually po dito po yung parang
Diyan.
entrance of the entourage.
Yes,
Yes.
the entourage.
Talaga napakalaki pa rin talaga.
Mm-mm.
Tapos dito po magde-decorate po. So depende po sa stylist po niya how they will create
Oo.
designs.
Then, let's proceed here.
Yung pala yung basketball din pala.
Oo.
Yes.
Cute pa.
Basketball.
Tingnan mo kung gaano kagandang aming garden. Although baksakan ng mga dahon, kahit mayat maya yan inaano ng gardener namin.
O ibig sabihin, very natural talaga.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes.
Diba? Ayan. Oo nga ma'am, dito ako nakakala.
Oo, dito.
Entourage,
Yes,
female
yes, oo,
entourage.
oo.
Tapos papagandahan natin ang design. The tree itself is already
Yes.
ah,
Siguro mapapansin mo
Natural.
yung aming, what do you call that? Yung anong yan, na pwedeng display yan. Actually, that can be used for the parties, weddings, and other events pa yan, no? Nilalagyan nila yan ng flowers. Di ba?
Mhm. So, ito
Dito po,
malawak.
ano po usually po yung debut,
Yung
kiddie
wedding.
party, pwede rin.
Yes,
Yes.
kiddie party, pwede
Wedding.
rin dito. Minsan naglalagay sila ng mga tents.
Yes.
Yan. Then yung mga for kiddie party naglalagay sila ng yung malalaking
Inflatable.
yan, yung mga
Yes,
inflatables,
oo, oo.
ganyan. Para merong dagdag.
diba ang
sa
ganda?
kanila. Wedding
Ito.
also.
O, di ba? Sa wedding, papasok pa ganun. Or pwede ilipat ito that can be moved. Ayan.
So
diba?
malawak siya.
Ang gaganda ng mga halaman namin.
Mm-mm.
Especially, anong month ba yun yung nagbabaksakan yung mga bulaklak?
February.
Kala mo nasa abroad ka eh.
Autumn,
Oo,
diba?
parang
Yes.
ano siya.
And that
Yes, so,
area naman po, it's the basketball
That's
court.
basketball
Na
court.
pwede rin pong maging
Venue.
volleyball.
Volleyball,
Yeah,
Zumba,
pwede.
basketball.
Ayun po, saan po ba yung mga Zumba ginagawa? Dito po or
Minsan doon, minsan dito.
yes, kung saan
Sabi
nila
ko kahit
prefer.
sa parking pwede eh.
Opo.
Oo.
Tapos may mga activities din like mga Milo Best, yung mga ganun. Ayan po.
Actually, kung meron naman, pwede namin ipagamit.
Mhm.
Wala namang problema.
Okay. So ano po ba, how much po ba nag-range po ang rental po for the outdoor event?
Depende kung ilang oras nila gagamitin, kung 24 hours ba, kung regular event lang ba. Mas cheaper actually dito pag dahil hindi siya naka-aircon.
Mhm.
So pagka ni-rent po ito, pwede po ba ito pwedeng half lang po or kailangan full po siya?
Kasi kung ako magpaparent sa kanila, gamitin na nilang lahat.
Mm.
Diba? Although option nila yun, kung gusto nilang gamitin kalahati, but still they will pay the full.
Mhm. Okay.
Kasi mura lang naman dito namin pinarerentahan. How much is this, Laila?
25.
25,000. Imagine, for this whole space.
Okay.
Oh my God, super laki pala ng basketball court po
Yes.
ninyo. Ilang
2
ano ba
sets
to?
kasi siya, 2 sets of players.
Courts.
Courts.
So, dalawang
Yes,
court
oo.
siya.
Magkano po ang parento dito?
Okay,
Very
from
cheap
6 a.m. to 6 p.m., we only charge 100 per hour. And then 6 p.m. to 12 midnight, 200 per hour.
Talaga?
Yes.
Magandang mag-basketball. Ano yun, kahit na volleyball?
Yes,
Kahit
badminton.
ano, yes.
Pwede rin ba mag-practice dito ang mga dancer?
Yes.
Yes, pwede.
Pero minsan sinasabi ko doon sa, kunyari, practice na sayaw, wag na dito, use na the parking.
Yes, kasi mas maganda
Oo,
yung
mas
hours
maano
po.
yun
Yes.
doon eh.
Hindi madulas.
Yeah. Kapag isa lang ang event dito, ina-allow naman namin na ipagamit kung sino yung may event. Like ngayon, di ba, may event sila, inalaw namin to, which is supposed
The
to be
whole lobby.
dapat.
The whole lobby
Kalahati,
only,
oo.
extended na.
Oo.
Pero
Yung,
pagka may
hati sila. Oo. It's a shared. Even the CR namin hati.
Yes,
Oo.
malinis.
Malinis.
Separate lang, female and male CR.
And this is the...
This is the convention hall.
Yes, convention hall.
It has a 295 square meter.
That can
Fully
accommodate.
air-conditioned?
Yes. Accommodate to up to 250 packs.
Wow. Talaga.
That is for classroom setup.
Yes.
For banquet setup, 100 to 150.
Yes.
Magkaiba nga pala yun.
Yes.
Parang
Iba kasi, oo, seminar. Pag seminar kasi, mas maraming na-accommodate eh.
Opo. May mga events kasi na tumitingin na yung aesthetics ba. So dito, maganda na po yung chandelier po ninyo. And
Yes.
Yung,
Alam mo, parang I'm planning na siguro medyo i-lighten lang namin ang colors or this will do na.
I think
You may look it kasi as bare, pero pag nalagyan siya ng
Ay, ang
decor,
ganda.
maganda
Super
siya.
ganda to
Oo.
pag naayusan.
Oo. So parang pinaka-highlight yung chandelier namin.
And we will improve this place.
yes po.
Dahan-dahan improve namin siya para mas mukhang maganda.
Kailangan maibalik natin ang
Yeah.
ang pagiging iconic.
Oh,
ng,
iconic.
na dito sa
Yes.
Park of Marikina ang Renaissance
Yes.
Yes.
Center.
Kaya nakita nyo naman kung gaano kahaba, kalapad.
Yes.
Yes. So kung ikaw ang batang 90s, ayan, alam mo to,
Ayan.
pwede
Yes.
bumalik ulit dito at mas magaganda na po ang mga
Correct.
improvements and mga packages.
Yes, yes. The packages. Talagang yan eh. Talagang nasa namin yan to improve. Siguro let's look at the ballroom.
Tama-tama may event po.
Oh, tama-tama may event.
Yes. Itong event na to ay morning event.
Yes.
Ito pong
Wedding.
event na to ay may mga suppliers
Yes.
po. Sino-sino po yung mga suppliers na yung mga under
The caterers, oo, other pack. Pwede naman package, pwedeng standalone sila. Depende sa choice ng client.
Pero sa case po na ito, they avail po the venue only and then the
Yes.
client
Will
has their own
choose.
packages.
Yes, yes.
correct.
The client has their own packages.
So this one po, already accommodated and accorded 17 years.
Oo. This is the ballroom, up to 250 ito. 250 packs. Ayan. Siguro dito na lang. Ang ganda-ganda rito mag-photoshoot.
Ayan po nga.
Yes.
Diba?
Balita ko po ito pong wedding din na ito ay dito rin po
Nag-photoshoot. Oo.
Yes, totoo.
So,
Dito sila
free po ba
nag-prenup.
yun?
Free, that's for free. Dahil
Yes,
may
basta
events
sa
sila
amin
dito.
ang venue, free na po yung photoshoot
Oo.
nila, video.
Pero we accommodate din naman yung mga sa labas kahit hindi rito gagawin. Pero for a fee.
Okay po. I saw a puppy over there.
Okay
ano
lang.
po ba yan? Ano ba yun? For baby friendly?
Friendly.
Friendly to everyone, even
Yes.
not only humans.
Oo.
Pati
Yes, we're also pet friendly.
pets. Yan.
Pet friendly kasi nakita mo naman yung lugar, oh.
Opo, makikita
Diba?
nyo rin po ito yung mga, anong tawag dyan?
Ay,
Yung
ang
mga
ganda niyan
puno,
sa
mga
gabi.
Christmas tree.
Alam niyo, ang ganda niyan sa gabi.
True.
Nakailaw yan.
Tapos ayan po yung mga nakaupo sa benches.
Yes.
Ayan po, magandang, dito po nga nag-shoot yung Renaissance.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
So,
Oo.
ang
Dito
ganda po
sila.
nakita ko po yun.
Talaga dito sa amin, marami kang pagpipilian eh. Depende sa number of packs. Marami kang pagpipilian. Depende sa budget, sa number of packs.
Yes.
Siyempre, we recommend naman kung saan talaga dapat. Depende sa number of packs. O, diba?
Okay.
Okay. If you feel hungry, ayan lang siya. Ang daming choices, oh.
Yeah, may mga...
Diba?
We're only beside the mall. Yes.
Besides the mall, kung gusto mo mag-malling, ayun lang siya. Konting lakad lang.
Ma'am, tama po ba na dito po sa Renaissance Convention Center, aside from the ceremony venue, which is the garden, or pwede rin po magpa-pitch ng tent,
Yes.
tapos nandito na po yung actual talaga na reception venue, which is the Renaissance and yung ballroom.
Yes, the convention and the ballroom.
Ayan. Meron din pong preparation venue. So, kumbaga,
Yes.
all-in-one na po. Kung
Yes,
talaga pong-
all
Yes,
in one.
Ayan.
Mm-mm.
Ayan po.
All
So,
in one na
ilan po
talaga.
ba ang kaya po ma-accommodate po ng yung dormtel?
The dormtel kasi right now, we have 2 dormtel. Right now. Pero siguro kapag talagang kakailanganin, i-try natin kung paano ang pwedeng gawin. Kasi magkakaroon kami ng holding area sa loob ng ballroom at saka ng convention
Sa
hall.
mismong
Oo,
venue.
that will be added. Siguro this one for the relatives, and yun para doon sa may okasyon.
Okay. Ano po ba yan? Check-in po ba yan at night, a day before the wedding, or kailangan po ang check-in is the same day?
Same day.
So, hindi po siya yung parang
Mm-mm.
hotel.
Na-allow na. Ma'am,
In
sorry
a-
pwede
rare
cut yun.
times.
Ma'am, may mga nag-request na overnight. Yes,
Overnight.
pwede rin.
Inaalaw namin
Yes,
yung
pwede
paminsan-minsan. Depende
Ah,
kung ano oras yung event
needs din
nila.
nila.
Okay.
Oo.
And soon, kapag talagang God permits and all these blessings, mapapatayuan na rin po ng mga kinumit, no? Kahit mo na lang.
Bahala ka dyan,
Kasi it's
Ate
like
Marge.
this. Kasi ano kami ambisyosa kami.
Ayan.
Kasi talagang
Siyempre.
sinasabi ko sa kanila, every time we pray in the morning, na 3 to 5 bookings per day.
Yes.
3 to 5
Target
bookings
namin.
per day, yun ang talagang tinatarget namin.
Okay, so next po, patingin naman po nung yung mga intimate...
Venues. Yun yung for a smaller event. Smaller event, pwede yun.
Smaller events, like mga intimate.
The intimate.
Ito yung mga meetings po, mga
Yeah,
group
meetings.
ng mga...
Pero may nagpa-party din doon, ha?
Opo, yung mga
May
smaller-
nagpa-party din, oo. Usually yung mga seniors,
Oo.
gusto nila dyan.
Pag ayaw nila
So,
ng
talagang
merong...
maganda, may andyan ang Jollibee, andito ang Greenwich.
Yes, oo.
Tapos merong more
Very-
talaga.
May bibili ka sa
accessible.
mall, lakad ka lang.
And very accessible, kaya nga tinatawag
yes.
natin ang heart
Hindi pa yun.
of Marikina.
Yung accessible kung wala kang sasakyan, 24 hours
Commuters.
ang biyahe.
Yes, sa mga
Diba?
commuters.
Tapos safe dahil may gwardiya sa loob ng compound.
Sa Marikina Convention, plus yung mga guards dyan. Sa
Oo.
Yes, very safe.
Talagang safe na safe.
Yes. Now let's proceed to the big conference. Now let's proceed to the big conference and the RCC Hall. Siguro unahin natin si RCC Hall. Itong lobby to, pinapagamit din namin kung talagang kailangan kapag may event. Pinapayagan naman namin.
Maganda to for baptismal and gender reveal.
And
Yes.
meetings.
Any
Ginagamit din nila to
occasion.
for meetings. This can accommodate mga up to 40 packs. Used for birthdays, meetings,
Recently may ginawa ditong 75th birthday.
Yes.
So syempre mga seniors ayaw nila na may second floor.
Ayaw nila.
So mas prefer nila
Oo.
dito.
Dito sa baba.
Ilan nga po ang kayang mag-accommodate sa
Up to 40.
40 packs.
Up to 40 bucks.
So
Ano siya, catering setup po yun?
Oo.
banquet setup.
Bakit setup siya?
50 to 60 kung classroom
Kung
or
classroom,
theater setup.
Oo.
Ano po ang difference nito ma'am dito sa mall na
For 80 bucks, can accommodate up to 80 bucks.
ito.
Yes.
Okay, una na kayo.
Dito yung
This area can also use for
Photo
photo booth. Sometimes they put the parang bar. And yan,
Yes.
mini bar. Yeah.
Can accommodate up to 80 bucks.
So, ayan. So, ito, ginagamit din for intimate weddings, baptismal.
Pero there are times, kahit 100 sila, pinagsisiksikan nila dito. Eh.
Malakas naman po yung aircon.
Malakas
Yes,
ang aircon
malakas ang
namin.
aircon nito. Sobrang lamig.
Newly painted po siya ha. Tsaka yung color po, it's very minimalist.
Yes. Dahil walang air na isa.
So, ayan.
Yung CR po, okay.
Ayan,
Yan,
malinis
yung
ang
CR.
CR namin
May
dito.
holding room, ang holding room sa baba.
Sa baba na.
Sa baba.
Pinapagamit namin yung sa baba.
So, tingnan.
And then may smoking area.
Doon sa labas, may smoking area. Usually dito nagsiset up ang caterers. Eh.
Okay po. So ito
Minsan
naman,
dito.
ito yung basta less 100.
Oo.
That's 100.
Yan siya. Okay?
Any other items or anything that you would like to highlight po dito po sa venues po sa baba at saka sa taas? This is the Renaissance Hall.
No, this is the
big conference.
Big conference.
Yung sa baba ang
Ang
Renaissance
Renaissance
Hall.
Big conference.
Oo.
Renaissance.
Ito yung parang less than 100.
Any occasion din, ma'am.
All occasions.
Okay.
Recently, ma'am, debut and kiddie party
Oo.
yung nangyari. So, minamaximize nila hanggang, actually, hanggang 100. Oo.
Na ano niya.
Importante yung number
Kasi
of
kung
packs.
paano din naman i-set up ni caterer,
Marunong mag-set
minsan
up ang
napapagkasya
caterers.
naman talaga nila. Pero syempre, at the end of the day, ayaw namin na may maririnig kami na, ay, ang sikip, ganyan.
Oo.
So, dapat lang talaga hanggang 80 lang.
Pero minsan kasi option nila na
Prefer
sasabihin
nila.
namin, gano'n, sige. O, ayan. Di ba maganda?